What's up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Back again. Shit, man. I'm chilling here, man. Recording video, doing all I do best, you know what I'm saying? But, thank y'all for watching my first couple videos on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? All those I dropped, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate it, man. I would be nothing without y'all, YouTube. For real, man. I love y'all. But, I'm back again for one reason, man. This nigga named Still Legends, this YouTube channel, whatever his fucking name is. This nigga's a bitch, bro. He talking all that shit about them purple birds. He don't know what it is, bro. He talking all this and that, talking about how many Super Bowl they got, how many great players they got, how many Hall of Famers they got. Nigga, what you got, nigga? What the fuck? Like, nigga, you get no buns, nigga. Like, come on now, nigga. You look like a 59-year-old version, son. You got some dark shades on, looking like a bitch. You got that steel curtain on, looking like a bitch. Like, come on, son. Like, don't let me come to Pittsburgh and bitch slap your ass. Nigga, like, come on, son. Some Steelers fans are respectable, but you, nigga, you a bum, nigga. Come on, son. Come on, son. You rockin' FUBU, nigga. You rockin' FUBU, my nigga. You rockin' FUBU. Like, come on, son. You a fucking bum, nigga. Go get a fucking job and stop making these fucking YouTube videos. You ain't getting no money, son. Stop. First of all, I ain't gonna be the one coming off as a hating ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no hating ass nigga. But when you talking shit that hard about one team, my nigga, you gotta get over it, son. Like, you really gotta get over it, son. And I hope you do respond to this shit. Because whatever you say to this shit, I'm gonna respond like on a 30-minute video, my nigga. Straight up, a 30-minute video, nigga. Keep talking that shit, bitch. I'm gonna fucking come to Pittsburgh and come see you, nigga. Straight up. Talking about them rap birds again, nigga. I'll fuck your shit up, nigga. Real talk, nigga. There go, nigga. Shout out to Ultra Fan, nigga. Shout out to Twitter. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to Facebook. Shout out to every website I fuck with, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the squad. Shout out to everybody who fuck with me, you know what I'm saying? Shit, when you see this, retweet this, whatever you want to do. Watch the video, like it, dislike it. I don't give a fuck. All I'm saying, fuck that nigga Still Legends. He talking all that shit about the squad. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. It's your boy, nigga, Rio, nigga. Fuck with me, nigga. Shout out to my nigga Drew. Shout out to Ken. Shout out to fucking Drip. Shout out to Juan. Shout out to Seth. Hit me up. Squad.